Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view saved posts on Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your saved posts on Threads, first open up your Threads app on your phone. And after opening your Threads app, guys, on this interface you land over here, which is the home interface of Threads app. And at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the profile or person icon available for us. Tap on the profile or the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where at the top right corner you can see the two-lined icon available for us on this interface just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here. Now in order to view your saved posts on Threads, you can see the fourth option that says saved over here just below the liked or just above the archive. Tap on saved, and all of the posts which you have saved on your Threads in past will be available over here. Since I have not saved any posts from Threads, this is empty, and in your case if you have saved any post on Threads, they will be over here. And that being said, guys, this is how to view saved posts on Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.